Kingdelnuc AMD 7-screen Mini-PC Ryzen 9 6900HX honest review. Real results that surprised me. You're drowning in cables, staring at a massive tower eating half your desk, running 3 monitors, but your machine still chokes when you open Chrome alongside anything else. You've thought about mini-PCs before, but figured they couldn't handle real work. Meanwhile, your workspace looks like a tech graveyard. Type guilty if this is your life right now. When did powerful start meaning bulky and loud? That suffocating feeling when your system freezes mid-presentation? That's not bad luck. That's underpowered hardware pretending to be enough. Every thermal throttle, every spinning wheel, every forced restart chips away at your sanity and your deadlines. But what if control was actually simple? What if serious power came in something that fits in your hand? Stay with me because this changes everything. Then I plugged in the Kingdelnuc AMD 7-inch screen Mini-PC and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any compact computer. Make sure it has a Ryzen 9 6900HX 8-core processor with DDR5 memory, so you never feel that suffocating freeze during critical multitasking ever again. Here's what this thing actually delivers. Triple 4K display output through HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and dual Type-C ports. Your multi-monitor dreams handled. Dual 2.5G LAN ports for networking that doesn't stutter. Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.2, keeping wireless connections rock solid. The built-in 7-inch touchscreen showing system stats without stealing monitor real estate. NVMe expansion ready for serious storage upgrades. DDR5 up to 32 GB for butter-smooth multitasking. 2:47 a.m., client deadline in 3 hours, I was cooked. 4 applications deep, video rendering in the background, and this mini beast didn't flinch. The silence was almost eerie. No fan screaming, no thermal panic, just pure focused computing. The touchscreen glowed softly while monitoring temps live. Bonus nobody mentions, the network settings for dual LAN let you separate traffic streams completely. Which feature surprised you most? Drop your answer below. Let's stack proof until doubt dies of embarrassment. Hours saved compounds into clarity gained, which doubles performance output, which delivers results that shut entire rooms up. One tech infrastructure analyst stated the Ryzen 9 6900HX represents top-tier mobile processing power rarely seen in form factors this compact. A productivity influencer confessed, I replaced my entire tower setup with this and haven't looked back. That terrified me at first. Industry benchmarks confirm the integrated Radeon 680M handles 4K video playback and light gaming without breaking a sweat. User at techminimalist_Dave wrote, running 3 4K displays, Plex server, and Home Assistant simultaneously. 0 hiccups, 0 regrets. I watched this happen live during a network stress test. Dual 2.5G ports handling 4.8 gigabits without packet loss, while the touchscreen displayed real-time throughput. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for triple display power, 2 for dead silent operation, 3 for that built-in monitoring screen. The number one objection I hear? Tiny means weak. The Kingdelnuc AMD 7-inch screen Mini-PC laughs at that, with 8 cores and 16 threads pushing desktop-class performance. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily, how something this small runs their entire workflow. Now, tell me in the comments, what would you run on this setup first? Desktop-class power without the desktop-class footprint. That's what the Kingdelnuc AMD 7-inch screen Mini-PC delivers every single day. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire workspace without announcing it to anyone. The productivity gains speak louder than any announcement ever could. First link in description. I pinned it to the top because I'm not letting you miss this. Full specs, current availability, everything you need to make the call is waiting right there. Your desk has been asking for this. Maybe it's time you finally listened.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.